In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a transaction in your banking system. This is an essential skill to have when you're organizing your financial records and come across a transaction that isn't quite what it should be. A mismatched transaction can throw off your records, and knowing how to fix it will save you both time and stress. So, let's jump right into it and make sure your books are as accurate as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your banking section. This is typically found on the main dashboard of your financial software. Once there, take a moment to look over your list of transactions. These transactions are often organized by date and may include other useful details such as vendor names and amounts. This overview helps you spot any discrepancies quickly. Now, your task is to find the specific transaction that doesn't belong or appears to be incorrectly matched. This might mean sifting through your recent transactions to double-check entries. Pay particular attention to any transactions that don't seem to align with your records or expected amounts. Once you've located the matched transaction in question, you'll need to open up its details to take a closer look. Clicking on the transaction usually brings up a pop-up or a new page with all the details associated with it. Here, you'll want to confirm that this is indeed the transaction you wish to unmatch. This step is crucial as it prevents the possibility of accidentally altering the wrong transaction, which could complicate your bookkeeping further. After verifying that you have the correct transaction, look for the option to undo or unmatch it. The placement and label of these options can vary depending on the software you're using, but they are usually located near the transaction details you're currently reviewing. Clicking Undo or Unmatch will begin the process of returning the transaction to an unmatched status. This step essentially resets the transaction so it can be reviewed or matched correctly at a later time. Once you've clicked Undo or Unmatch, take a moment to double-check the changes you've made. It's always a good practice to confirm that the transaction has returned to its unmatched state just to be thorough. After you've confirmed everything is as it should be, it's time to save your changes. Be sure to look for a button or icon that allows you to finalize your edits, which will update the records and reflect the transaction as unmatched. Saving these changes ensures that the action is recorded properly within your system. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to unmatch a transaction in your banking system. Addressing mismatched transactions is key to maintaining accurate financial records, so knowing how to remedy these situations is invaluable for keeping your financial data organized and precise.